have completed today the grade 5 baldness hair transplant. We have covered this area with the help of FUE method. So we have covered the frontal area and bilateral temporal triangle, and it took around 8 to 10 hours to cover this area. So if you want to get hair transplant, Rejuvena Cosmo Care, you can come to the Rejuvena Cosmo Care. We are routinely doing hair transplant here. Thank you.